In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the best trading platform for your specific needs. With so many options out there, like Tradovate, TradingView, NinjaTrader, Topstep X, and Quantower, it really comes down to understanding your own trading style and priorities. Let's dive in and explore what each platform offers so you can pick the one that aligns with your goals. First up, let's talk about TradingView. If you are looking for an intuitive cloud-based interface, TradingView might be the perfect fit for you. It shines with its vibrant social community, making it easy to share ideas and strategies with fellow traders. The platform is well regarded for its superior charting tools, which are available across multiple asset classes. So, if broad market analysis and community interaction are high on your list, TradingView is definitely worth considering. Moving on to NinjaTrader, this platform is known for its full-featured desktop execution capabilities. The advanced order types and automation features make NinjaTrader a powerhouse for serious active traders, especially if you're into futures or forex trading. If backtesting strategies and executing complex trades with precision appeal to you, NinjaTrader offers the tools to support these needs effectively. Next, we have Quantower, a platform that might be intriguing if deep customization is what you're after. Quantower provides robust multi-asset support and professional-grade analytics, catering to those looking for a more tailored experience. However, it does come with a steeper learning curve. So, if you don't mind investing time in mastering the platform to fully utilize its customizable features, Quantower could be the right option for you. For those of you who are focused primarily on futures trading, Tradovate is designed specifically with your interests in mind. It offers a streamlined workflow, making trading futures more straightforward. Plus, it integrates well with TradingView charts, giving you added flexibility. If simplicity and efficiency in futures trading resonate with your trading style, Tradovate is definitely designed for this niche. Lastly, there's Topstep X. This platform is a bit different as it functions more as a prop firm or funded trader platform. It's well equipped to support challenge and funded account workflows, making it ideal if you're looking for an opportunity to prove your mettle in trading and potentially earn a funded account. If participating in prop trading and accessing funded accounts is your focus, then Topstep X would be an appropriate choice. To wrap things up, take some time to reflect on what you're looking to achieve in your trading journey. Whether you're valuing broad market analysis, powerful execution, high customization, futures trading, or prop trading opportunities, there's a platform out there catered to your needs. Gaining a clear understanding of your goals will guide you to the platform whose strengths align best with your trading ambitions.